Power plant basics: gas turbine, Brayton cycle, air compressor, reciprocating compressor, centrifugal compressor, axial compressor, Rankine or vapor power cycle, thermal power plant, steam turbine, boiler, condenser and cooling tower, jet propulsion. Power plant gas gate 4 to 5 marks, ESC 40 to 50 marks up to last day out of 200, conventional 60 to 70 out of 280. Gas turbine, air compressor, reciprocating, centrifugal, axial, where Rankine or vapor power cycle, thermal power plant, steam turbine, boiler, condenser and cooling tower, not in gate only for ESC, jet propulsion. Books gas turbine V Ganeshan, power plant engineering P. K. Nag, power plant engineering R. Yadav. Thermodynamic cycle power positive work clockwise on PVTS diagram. Efficiency fluid energy decreases. Refrigeration negative work anti-clockwise PV or TS diagram COP fluid energy increases. Thermodynamic cycle gas cycle very difficult to condense, vapor cycle easy to condense. Gas cycle working substance remain in single gaseous phase throughout the cycle. Vapor cycle working substance remain in liquid phase for half of the cycle and in vapor phase for next half. Steam turbine stainless steel titanium alloy. Gas turbine nickel based super alloy. Nickel based super alloy. Thermodynamic cycle open cycle. In every cycle a fresh working substance is used and exhausted. Closed cycle. In every cycle the same working substance is again and again recirculated. Steam power plant 60%, gas turbine power plant 10 to 20%, IC engine power plant 1 to 2%. Steam power plant cycle is Rankine, fuel, coal, HSD, high speed diesel, paraffin oil, etc. Maximum temperature 620 degrees centigrade. Pressure ratio 180 to 300. Weight per power 55 kg per kilowatt. Efficiency 35 to 37%. Pollution highest. Installation period at 3 to 4 years per 200 megavolt. Gas turbine power plant Brayton. Natural fuel, natural gas, methane, ethane. Maximum temperature 1300 degrees centigrade. Pressure ratio 10 to 12. Weight weight 20 kg per kilowatt. Efficiency 22 to 27%. Pollution least 2 to 3 years per 200 megavolt. IC engine power plant generator 1 to 2%. Diesel or Otto cycle, fuel, diesel, petrol, kerosene, etc. Maximum temperature 2500 degrees centigrade. Pressure ratio 15 to 25. Weight per power 115 kg per kilowatt. Efficiency 27% to 32%. Pollution medium. Pollution level medium. Installation period 1 to 2 months per 1 to 2 megavolt. Component gas turbine Brayton cycle. Air standard from a compressor, then combustion chamber, then turbine. Always work above P atmosphere. High grade fuel for it will exhaust. Second, heat exchanger. Normally ships and submarines 2% air standard is 98% use. Normally ships and submarines compressor it will pass through heat exchanger, then turbine and again intercooler, then again compressor. Due to heat exchange and intercooler react, it requires more space. Can also work below at atmospheric pressure. Low grade fuel can be also be used due to negative pressure air mix up and chemical composition change. In open flow work obtained will be uh, area on pressure grade area under the pressure line. This is WC. 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. Okay, this is work done. In TS diagram, 1 to 2 compressed, then 2 to 3 constant pressure heat addition, 3 to 4 turbine isentropic, then again constant pressure heat rejection. Brayton cycle is the practical working cycle, and it consists of four processes. 1 to 2 reversible adiabatic compression from lower to higher pressure in the compressor. 2 to 3 constant pressure heat addition process, either directly in combustion chamber or indirectly in heat exchanger. Reversible adiabatic expansion in gas turbine. 3 to 4 reversible adiabatic expansion in gas turbine. 4 to 1 constant pressure heat rejection process, either directly to atmosphere or indirectly in an intercooler. Advantages of closed cycle: between the same temperature limit, it is more efficient and compact. Any better properties: working substance like helium argon can be used. Any lower grade fuel can be used as working substance, is not mixed with fuel. It can work below atmospheric pressure. There is no problem of gas turbine blade erosion. Disadvantages of closed cycle: cycle becomes complicated, costly and bulky. Absolute leaking proof of below P atmosphere is very difficult because of being bulky, cannot be used for aircraft application. Air standard assumption: air is working substance throughout and its chemical composition doesn't change. Cp and Cv and gamma values remain constant irrespective of temperature change. Changes in kinetic and potential energy are negligible. Compression and expansion work are adiabatic, that is, there is no heat loss. There is no loss of pressure while flow takes place through various components. Process 1 to 2 WC by steady flow energy equation: 1 and 2, h1 plus v1 square by 2 plus z1g plus q1 to 2 is equal to h2 plus v2 square by 2 plus z2g plus w1 to 2. v1 is equal to v2, z2 is equal to z1, q12 is equal to 0, w12 is equal to minus wc, h1 is equal to h2 minus wc, wc is equal to h2 minus h1 is equal to cp into t2 minus t1. Process 2 to 3 QSA, again SFE between 2 and 3. V2 is equal to V3, Z2 is equal to Z3, W23 is equal to 0, Q23 is equal to QS. H2 plus QS is equal to H3, Q3 is equal QS is equal to H3 minus H2 is equal to Cp into T3 minus T2. Process 3 to 4. WT H3 is equal to H4 plus WT is equal to H3 minus H4 is equal to Cp into T3 minus T4. Process 4 to 1. H4 minus QR is equal to H1, QR is equal to H4 minus H1 is equal to Cp into T4 minus T1. Now W net is equal to WT minus WC, H3 minus H4 minus H2 minus H1. W net is equal to H3 minus H2 minus of H4 minus H1. W net is equal to Qs minus Qr is equal to Wt minus Wc. E in is equal to E out, Qs plus Wc is equal to Qr plus Wt. Qs minus Qr is equal to Wt minus Wc. Process 1 to 2 is isentropic. T2 by T1 is equal to P2 by P1 whole power gamma minus 1 by gamma. Pressure ratio is equal to Rp is equal to P2 by P1. T2 by T1 is equal to Rp whole power gamma minus 1 by gamma. Process 3 to 4, T3 by T4 is equal to P3 by P4 whole power gamma minus 1 by gamma. P2 is equal to P3, P4 is equal to P1. T3 by T4 is equal to Rp power gamma minus 1 by gamma. T2 by T1 is equal to T3 by T4. Temperature ratio always equal for simple Brayton cycle. Efficiency of simple Brayton cycle: eta is equal to 1 minus qr by qs is equal to 1 minus h4 minus h1 by h3 minus h2. Eta is equal to 1 minus t4 minus t1 by t3 minus t2. Eta is equal to 1 minus t1 into t4 minus by t1 minus 1 by t2 into t3 by t2 minus 1. T2 by T1 is equal to T3 by T4, T4 by T1 is equal to T3 by T2. Eta efficiency is equal to 1 minus T1 by T2 is equal to 1 minus 1 by T2 by T1. Eta is equal to 1 minus 1 by Rp power gamma minus 1 by gamma. For simple Brayton cycle, efficiency increases with increase in pressure ratio and gamma value. Eta Rp gamma 1.66 helium argon gamma is equal to 1.4 is for air. As the gamma increases, theta increases. With the Rp, it will be like this. Back work ratio RBW is equal to negative work in the cycle by positive work in the cycle. Work in turbine WC back work W net is used. RBW is equal to WC by WT. This should be less. Gas turbine power plant 40 to 60%. 40 to 60%. Steam power plant only 1 to 2% as their liquid will be used. Work ratio RW net work in cycle by positive work in a cycle. RW is equal to W net by WT. WT minus WC by WT is equal to 1 minus WC by WT. RW is equal to 1 minus RBW. Work ratio is equal to RW is equal to 1 minus RBW. This should be high. Gas turbine 40 to 60%, steam power plant 98% to 99%. Air rate, it is the mass flow rate of air required to produce 1 kilowatt of power. Air ratio is equal to mA dot by P kg per second kilowatt. P kilowatt is equal to mA dot into W net. mA dot is in kg per second, W net kilojoule per kg. A ratio is equal to 1 by W net. Kilojoule per kilogram kg per kilogram joule into or kg per kilowatt second. Air rate is equal to 3600 by W net kg per kilowatt hour. Specific air consumption SFC is equal to mf dot kg per hour by mf dot kg per hour by W net kilowatt. Effect of pressure ratio on efficiency and new work output. If pressure, and this is 1 2 3 4 is one diagram. If pressure is increased 1 2 prime 3 prime, T max remains same. TMA is equal to mean temperature of heat addition. TMR is equal to mean temperature of heat rejection. In actual working gas turbine cycle, work between two temperature limits. One is maximum temperature that depends on metallurgical condition of turbine blade, and second is minimum temperature which depends on atmospheric condition. When Rp is equal to 1, both efficiency and W net will be 0. As Rp increases, both start increasing and become maximum when the compression process end at maximum temperature limit, and at this point efficiency become equal to Carnot, but W net becomes 0 because Qs is equal to 0. The pressure ratio for maximum efficiency Rp max is equal to T max by T min whole power gamma minus 1 by gamma by gamma minus 1. It is equal to 1 minus 1 by Rp whole power gamma minus 1 by gamma. If eta max is equal to 1 minus T min by T max is equal to efficiency of Carnot. As Rp increases, eta increases because TMA approach T max, TMR approach T min. As efficiency is equal to W net by Q net, both tends to 0. Net work done and heat supplied also 0. The pressure ratio Rp for maximum work, W net is equal to Wt minus Wc is equal to Cp into T3 minus T4 minus T2 plus T1. T2 by T1 is equal to T3 by T4. T4 is equal to T1 T3 by T2. W net is equal to Cp into T3 minus T3 T1 by T2 minus T2 plus T1. As T3 and T1 are fixed temperature, for W net to be maximum, dW net by T2 dt2 is equal to 0. Different after differentiation, t2 square is equal to t3 t1, t2 is equal to root 2 3 t3 t1 is equal to t4. Maximum W net is equal to Cp into t3 minus t4 minus t2 plus t1, as t2 is equal to t4 is equal to root 2 3 root t3 t1 root 2 3 t1. W net max is equal to Cp into root of 2 3 minus root of t1 whole square. Optimum pressure ratio Rp optimum is equal to T2 by T1 whole power gamma minus 1 is equal to root 2 3 T1 by T1 whole power gamma minus 1 by gamma by gamma minus 1. Rp optimum is equal to T3 by T1 whole power gamma by 2 into gamma minus 1 is equal to root of Rp max. Eta max is equal to 1 minus 1 by Rp whole power gamma minus 1 by gamma. Eta optimum is equal to 1 minus root 2 3 root T1 by T3. Maximum work output T3 is equal to T max, T1 is equal to T min, T2 is equal to T4 is equal to root T max T min. W net max is equal to Cp into root T max minus root T min whole square. Rp optimum is equal to T max by T min whole power gamma by 2 into gamma minus 1 is equal to root Rp max. Eta optimum is equal to 1 minus root of T min by T max. Efficiency Rp, if this is Rp optimum, this Rp max eta cannot 1. Okay, W net from 1 it will increase and then decrease. Rp optimum will be at highest, W net max Rp. Combustion chamber TS diagram is this. Combustion chamber MA dot CPA. Combustion chamber MF dot will enter MA plus MA dot plus MF dot CPG T3. In open cycle gas turbine, energy is released due to combustion of fuel in combustion chamber. Under ideal condition, energy released by fuel should be exactly equal to enthalpy rise of gas. Heat released by fuel and enthalpy rise of is equal to enthalpy rise of gas. Mf dot into Cv into eta combustion is equal to Ma dot plus Mf dot into Cpg into T3 minus Ma dot Cpa T2. Exact solution. Mf dot into Cv into eta combustion is equal to Ma dot plus Mf dot into Cp into T3 minus T2 into T3. My approximate solution object result for object. Cooling air 5%, primary air 20%, secondary air 70 to 95%. Combustion chamber turbine thermocouple A by F is equal to 50 is to 1 to 80 is to 1. 4 to 6% fuel loss in gas turbine, 10 to 12% fuel loss in 4 stroke, 30 to 35% fuel loss in 2 stroke. Isentropic efficiency TS 1 or 2 3 1 1 or 2s 3 4s is ideal cycle. Both will shift towards right. Actual diagram exit conditions will change due to friction. In actual working, there is always friction within the system boundary, and it is considered by isentropic efficiency due to internal irreversibility, that is friction. Compression require more work and turbine produces less work output. Compressor eta c is equal to isentropic work by actual work. Eta c is equal to h2s minus h1 by h2 minus h1 is equal to t2s minus t1 by t2 minus t1. Eta c is 80 to 85%. Turbine eta T is equal to actual work by isentropic work. Eta T is equal to H3 minus H4 by H3 minus H4s is equal to T3 minus T4 by T3 minus T4s. Eta T is equal to 85% to 90%. Efficiency eta is equal to 1 minus QR by QS. Q as this increases and this decreases. Eta is equal to 1 minus T4 minus T1 by T3 minus T2. Eta is equal to 1 minus 1 by Rp power gamma minus 1 by gamma. Regeneration compressor, it will be first passed through heat exchanger and then combustion chamber, then turbine exhaust is used for heating the air initially in the heat exchanger for to be the TS diagram will be similar, but there will be A and B positions. A and B positions. And regeneration is the process in which high temperature gas coming out of turbine is utilized for heating cold air coming out of compressor, and before entering the combustion chamber, this preheating of cold air decreases the fuel requirement in combustion chamber, thus increasing the efficiency. Effect of regeneration, WC same, no change, WT same, W net same. QS decreases 2 to A, QR decreases 2 to A, TMA increases, TMR decreases, efficiency increases. Effective thermal ratio or degree of regeneration. It is term used to indicate the capability of heat exchanger. It is transferring heat from hot body to cold body. It is the ratio of actual temperature rise to maximum temperature rise possible in the heat exchanger. Epsilon is equal to actual temperature rise by maximum temperature rise. Epsilon is equal to Ta minus T2 by T4 minus T2, because it is a T2. Ta minus T2 is actual, but it can maximum go to T4 minus T2. So Ta minus T2 by T4 minus T2, epsilon is equal to 70 to 80%. Eta is equal to W net by Cp into T3 minus Ta, because this is the actual heat added. Ideal regenerative cycle, it is in an ideal regenerative cycle, cold air is heated up to turbine exit temperature in a regenerator. It is possible only for infinitely large heat exchanger, and at that point epsilon is equal to 100%, Ta is equal to T4, Tb is equal to T2. Eta for ideal regenerative cycle efficiency, eta is equal to 1 minus Qr by Qs is equal to 1 minus Tb minus T1 by T3 minus Ta. Eta is equal to 1 minus Tb minus T1 by T3 minus Ta. Ta is equal to T4, Tb is equal to T2. Eta is equal to 1 minus T2 minus T1 by T3 minus T4. Eta is equal to 1 minus T1 into T2 by T1 minus 1 into by T3 into T4 by 1 minus T4 by T3. Eta is equal to 1 minus T1 by T3 into T2 by T1 into 1 minus T2 by T1 by 1 minus T4 by T3. T3 by T4 is equal to T2 by T1. T1 by T2 is equal to T4 by T3. Eta is equal to 1 minus T1 by T3 into T2 by T2. T2 by T1. Eta ideal is equal to 1 minus T1 by T3 into Rp whole power gamma minus 1 by gamma. This is only for ideal regenerative cycle. As Rp increases, eta decreases. As gamma increases, eta decreases. As T1 increases, gamma decreases. T3 increases, gamma eta increases. This is eta efficiency. Beyond certain pressure ratio, use of regenerator is become ineffective because compressor outlet temperature become more than turbine exit temperature. Eta or Rp of the ideal regenerator cycle, it will keep on decreasing with Rp. Simple Brayton cycle, it will keep on increasing. In the middle, Rp optimum will be there. At intersection, Rp optimum. Intercooling aim to increase W net. Wt is equal to Wt minus Wc. Wt by reheating, Wc by decrease by intercooling. Mm, compressor 1, compressor 1, then compressor heated, and then compressor 2, then combustion chamber, then turbine. 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. 1 to 2 is compressor 1, 2 to 3 is heat, 2 to 3 is heat, 2 to 3, and 3 to 4 again compressor 2, heat added. 2 to 3, okay, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 5 to 6. Mean temperature of heat addition decreases faster as compared to mean temperature of heat rejection. TMA decreases, TMR decreases, eta decreases. P2 by P1 greater than P2 by P. In order to increase the net work output, one method is to decrease work required by compressor, and this is obtained by using several stages of compressor or with intercooling of air in between stages. Effect of intercooling, WC decreases, WT same, W net increases, QS increases, QR increases, TMA decreases, TMR decreases, P mean decreases, efficiency decreases. Scope of regenerator increases as compared to outlet temperature. Outlet temperature decreases. Intermediate pressure for minimum work input by compressor with perfect intercooling. WC is equal T3 is equal to T1. WC is equal to WC1 plus WC2 is equal to Cp into T2 minus T1 plus T4 minus T3 is equal to Cp T1 into T2 by T1 minus 1 plus T4 by T1 minus T3 by T1. Perfect intercooling, T3 is equal to T1, WC is equal to Cp into T1 into T2 by T1 plus T4 by T3 minus 2. T2 by T1 is equal to Pi by P1 whole power gamma minus 1 by gamma is equal to Pi by P1 whole power x, x equal to gamma minus 1 by gamma. T4 by T3 is equal to P2 by Pi whole power x. WC is equal to Cp T1 into Pi power x by P1 power x plus P2 power x by Pi power x minus 2. dWc by dpi is equal to 0. Finally, pi over 2x is equal to p2 p1. Pi is equal to root p2 p1. Pi by p1 is equal to p2 by pi. T2 and T1 is equal to Pi by P1 whole power gamma minus 1 by gamma. T4 by T3 is equal to P2 by Pi whole power gamma minus 1 by gamma. As T3 is equal to T1, T4 is equal to T2. WC1 is equal to Cp into T2 minus T1. WC2 is equal to Cp into T4 minus T3. As T1 is equal to T3, T2 is equal to T4. WC1 is equal to WC2. Perfect intercooling, T3 is equal to T1, Pi is equal to root P2 P1, T4 is equal to T2, WC1 is equal to WC2. Reheating, no effect of relation on efficiency. Generator maximum speed is equal to N into 120 F by P. P is poles. Okay. Compressor, combustion chamber, turbine. Here again combustion chamber 2. Then turbine will be there. Pressure on P1, then P2, then again one more turbine, then heat added. TMA increases, TMR also increases. PV diagram, it will be like this, increases T to 3, it will be 4 to 5, 6 to 1. The net work output can be increased by increasing work done by turbine, and this is achieved by using several stages of expansion with reheating in between stages. Effects of reheating, WC same, WT increase, W net increase, QS increase 4 to 5, QR increase 6 to 4, TMA increase, TMR increases more, P mean decreases, eta decreases. Scope of regeneration increases as turbine exit temperature increases. Intermediate pressure for maximum turbine output with perfect reheating, T3 is equal to T5, WT is equal to WT1 plus WT2, WT is equal to Cp into T3 into T2 minus T4 by T3 minus T6 by T5, T3 is equal to T5, T4 by T3 is equal to Pi by P2 whole power x, P6 by T5 is equal to P1 by Pi whole power x. Finally, similar to intercooling, dWt by dpi is equal to 0. We will get Pi is equal to root P1 P2. And T3 is equal to T5, so T4 is equal to T6. WT1 is equal to WT2. Perfect reheating, T3 is equal to T5, T4 is equal to T6, Pi is equal to root P2 P1, WT1 is equal to WT2. Actual gas turbine cycle. There is always loss of pressure while flow takes place through heat exchanger, combustion chamber, and duct connecting various components by proper duct design. These pressure losses can be minimized but cannot be eliminated. So TS, there will be pressure loss delta PH, delta PC, delta PH here also. Delta P losses is equal to 10% of P2. Consider only a turbine inlet. TPTS delta P inlet 0.6. Pressure loss is also called parasitic loss. Mechanical loss, compressor is driven by turbine, and during transmission of power from turbine to compressor, some part of energy is lost lost out in intermediate gear, bearing, and connecting shaft, known as mechanical loss. Due to these losses, net work output of cycle decreases. Eta mechanical is equal to WC by WC turbine. W net is equal to WT minus WC turbine, and W net is equal to WT minus WC by eta mechanical. Cp, Cv and gamma does not remain constant with change in temperature. As here it is not ideal and practical. Compressor side, air CPA 1.005, gamma 1.4, 300 Kelvin. Gas CPG is 1.147, gamma G 1.33, 1000 Kelvin turbine side. As temperature increases, T increases, Cp increases, Cv increases, gamma decreases. Cp minus Cv is equal to R. R is equal to RO by M into W. Molecular weight. R by RO by molecular weight. Compression and expansion process are not frictionless, and there is always increase in entropy due to irreversibility. QC is equal to heat losses in compressor. QT is equal to heat losses in turbine. There are always loss of energy during compression and expansion. So SFE of 1 and 2, WC is equal to H2 minus H1 plus QC. Then SFE between 3 and 4, WT is equal to H3 minus H4 minus QT. Incomplete combustion loss, there is loss of energy in combustion chamber due to incomplete combustion chamber. Eta generator combustion. So finally eta generator is equal to, this is generator, eta generator is equal to P by W net. P is power output, W net is given by turbine, P by W net.